How is it going, everybody? You're watching That About Tech, and today I'm gonna unbox the brand new iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple, the new color for the 14 Pro lineup. So let's take a quick look at the box, at the phone, and of course, let's see the new purple color in natural sunlight. As you can imagine, the box is very similar to the 13 Pro and to the 12 Pro, so a very slim box, and you already know why, right? On the side, you have here iPhone in purple. Same thing on the other side. We have the Apple logo, again, all in purple. So of course, this will match the color of the iPhone that you choose. And on the back here, we have information and we have the tabs in order to open the box, right? We don't have plastic anymore, just those two paper tabs. As you can see here, iPhone 14 Pro, and right here, iPhone 14 Pro Deep Purple, 128 gigs. That's the model I always choose, the baseline model, because I always use iCloud. So let's open it up. So let's open this top tab. As you guys can hear, very satisfying. Here as well. And then let's go ahead, flip it, and open it up. You can already see the purple color. I can definitely see it, but I'm gonna put the iPhone to the side. It looks gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna leave it right here, and then let's see what we have in the box. And as you know, not much, right? So we have the charging cable, and of course it's Lightning, as you can see here, to USB Type-C. And we also have documentation, very minimalist and simple. And as you can see here, you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. So you have this information right here, and that's because this is the American iPhone, the American model. So we don't have a SIM tray anymore, just eSIM. We don't have a spot to use our normal SIM card. And of course, we have here one Apple sticker and warranty information, and that's literally it. So we have here documentation, the two tabs, we have here the box, we have here the little case, and the cable. So that's it for the unboxing. Let's put everything to this side right here, and let's take a look at the start of the show, the iPhone 14 Pro. And the first thing we have to do, of course, is remove that little paper screen protector. Let's take a listen to that. So satisfying. So as you can see here on the back, let's take a look at the color, because of course this is maybe one of the most important things that you want to see, right? So it varies a lot, as I can literally see from those seconds. The color changes a little bit depending on the angle and the sunlight. So sometimes if I put it like that, for example, it's pretty much like space gray, so it's extremely dark gray, almost black. But if I put it in contact with sunlight, direct sunlight, as you can see, it turns to this very lighter gray tone, and depending on, of course, other positions, it will look much more purple. I'm taking a look at the camera feed right here, and I'm seeing that it is not looking too purple on the image. It is looking very gray, but personally, I can see the shade of purple. I can definitely see it. Again, it's not extremely bright purple. It's a very dark tone of purple, but it is purple, you can see it, okay? So on the back here, very clean. We have pretty much nothing here, just the huge camera module for the Pro lineup, especially here on the smaller Pro, not the Pro Max. It looks insanely huge, but it doesn't look ugly. It just looks big, but it looks premium, high-end, and this looks like a Pro phone. I can tell you that. This is a Pro phone, right? So at the top, we have nothing, just one antenna. On the right side, again, another antenna right here, and we have power button, and we have the antenna for the 5G millimeter wave. So specific feature on the American iPhone. Another little antenna right here. We have here, of course, speaker, microphone, lightning port. Naturally, this is not USB Type-C. You saw on the cable right here, this is Lightning on the iPhone. The other end of the cable is USB-C, of course. And then here, moving to the other side, we have here again, another antenna, volume buttons, and the mute switch, silent to mute switch. And of course, it looks like something is missing here, and that's naturally the SIM tray. As I said, this is the American model. There's no SIM tray. You can't use a physical SIM on this phone. You'll have to use eSIM You can use more than one, so no problems, but you'll need to use eSIM only, okay? And then another antenna right here, and that's it. Another thing that I could definitely notice just by looking at the phone is that the flash is much larger, and we do have a better flash here on the iPhone 14 Pro, and we can definitely see the flash is larger. And that's pretty much it. Let's just go ahead and turn it on, boot up the iPhone, just so I can quickly show you, of course, the dynamic island. So iPhone has just boot up. Hello, as you can see here, and take a look at the dynamic island. It looks so freaking good. The display as well looks so nice. This is a beautiful display. Again, a better display compared to the 13 Pro, but the idea of this video is just a quick unboxing. I'm not gonna give you details on this phone, not full details. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing, but of course I had to show you the dynamic island just so how it looked. This is the first time for me personally taking a look at the new notch, and it looks so good. And of course I'm gonna go ahead, start using it. So make sure to subscribe to Then About Tech if you're not subscribed yet, and of course tap on the little bell icon to make sure you get notified, because there will be a ton of videos on this guy. See you later guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.